Got an MEP file from a video editing project and can't figure out what opens it? This is a project file from Serif's video editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and export these MoviePlus video projects. We're going to solve this MEP issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. MEP files are video project files created by Serif MoviePlus, the consumer video editing application. They contain the complete project timeline with video and audio clip references, transition effects, text overlays, title sequences, and rendering settings defining a complete video production without embedding the original media files. MEP files use a proprietary XML-based project format, storing timeline structure with track definitions, clip placement references, transition parameters, effect settings, keyframe animation, data, text, overlay, properties and output rendering configurations. The format references external media source files by path for non-destructive editing. Serif MoviePlus, developed by Serif, Europe, Ltd., serves as the industry application standard for MEP. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows allows viewing without issue, but metadata or timeline edits need proper software. We'll conduct a full check of installed file readers now. Right-click your MEP file and select Open With. Test Serif MoviePlus if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates uncertainty. If you still cannot open your MEP file, that is okay. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this MEP file is failing to load. First, opening in MoviePlus. Launch Serif MoviePlus and use File. Then open Project to load the MEP file. MoviePlus reconstructs the full timeline with all clips, transitions, effects, and titles. Ensure all referenced source media files remain in their original locations or use the relink media function if files have been moved since the project was saved. Next, exporting final video. In MoviePlus, use File then Export, or the Export Video button to render the project to a finished video file. Choose from output formats including MP4 AVI WMV and DVD. Configure resolution, frame rate, and quality settings, then let MoviePlus render the complete timeline into a self-contained video file for sharing. Finally, migrating to other editors. Since Serif MoviePlus has been discontinued and replaced by non-compatible products, export the timeline from MoviePlus as a rendered video file. For further editing, import the exported video into DaVinci Resolve or another free video editor. Timeline editing data cannot be directly transferred from MEP format to other video editing applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.